Hi and Assalamualaikum. We are from Group 4. We will present a slide about Industry Revolution 4.0 or better known as IR 4.0. We have chosen our location which is SMK Tinggi Melaka. Is our group member. First, Aida Syahira binti Nur Muhammad. Second, Muhammad Akmal bin Muhammad Izam. Third, Muhammad Rashid Hakimi bin Rashidi. And lastly, Siti Nur Ashikim binti Ahmad Sahlan. So, I will explain a little bit about IR 4.0. Okay, Industry 4.0 is sometimes referred to as the smart factory idea, in which machine, gadget, sensor and people are linked to a network. Allow data to be exchanged and analyzed and used to exchange process and operation. Furthermore, Industry 4.0 is projected to offer increased product flexibility as well as the capacity to safely and effectively respond to change in demand. Overall, Industry 4.0 is predicted to result in a more efficient, versatile and adaptive production process, allowing enterprise to respond to market and consumer demand change more rapidly and efficiently.
Next is problem statement. School fire safety is critical because there are many students, teachers and school staff in a building where a fire can result in death. The majority of the feature in the rooms in the school building consists of flammable materials such as wood and plastic. This is very worrying and needs to be emphasized. Next is objective. First, the objective of our project is to keep the school in a concept based on IR 4.0 to improve the systems in building services. Second, to prevent or reduce the possibility of a fire at the school that might result in fatalities, injuries and property damage. And the last one is to improve the safety of commercial buildings in schools.
For our research background, we decided to pick SMK Tinggi Melaka. SMK Tinggi Melaka or Melaka High School is a government-funded secondary school located in the state of Melaka, Malaysia. Melaka High School is the oldest school in the Melaka. In 1826, the school was established but have moved to another location in 1884 and 1931. The school current location is at Jalan Cakonceng, Melaka. The school maintained the original building design so that it became a trademark of the school. The school original building design consists of the use of wood and is constantly improved in order to be usable. As we know, wood is the one of the source for fire to spread. However, there is no much fire safety, detection and protection in this building, and it can be said that there are only fire integration and hospital in this building. This original building is classroom and office, so this building is always used by people.
Okay, next is upgraded system. So for upgraded system, we choose fire safety, detection and protection. And from what we observe from SMK Tinggi Melaka, their fire protection seem not organized and also included many schools in Malaysia. And fire safety is an all-encompassing strategy that combines technology, rules and education to reduce the danger of fire. It combines preventative measures such fire prevention and fire resistant building material with reactive measures including fire detection and protection system. Building codes and regulations also play a significant role in fire safety by defining the requirement for fire prevention system. Okay, so there are 4 systems that can be upgraded for fire safety, protection and detection. And firstly is early warning systems. Early warning system in school are intended to identify the existence of fire at an early stage and assist in swiftly notifying students, teachers and also staff. So there are several different types of early warning system that can be used in school, including smoke alarm, heat detectors and flame detectors. And okay, so for number 2 is fire and smoke management system. Smoke and heat ventilation system regulate the movement of smoke throughout the building. Smoke curtains are barriers that can be opened to shut up to shut off a space in the event of a fire. Smoke management system include various methods like pressurization, filtration, and also ventilation. System number 3 is Building Automation System or BAS. In order to combine different fire safety system and improve their efficiency, these building automation system are crucial part of school fire prevention because the ability to automate numerous fire safety function is one of the main advantage of integrating fire safety system with a building automation system. For instance, the building automation system can automatically turn off the HVAC system, open smoke dampers, and turn on emergency lighting when a fire alarm is activated. Building automation system have a critical function called remote monitoring that enables school employees to keep an eye on the building's fire protection system even when they are not on the premise. As a result, they can act rapidly in the event of a fire and take steps to stop the spread of smoke and flames. And for system number 4 is smart fire suppression system. In order to identify and put out fires more quickly and effectively, smart fire suppression system in school can offer a high level of fire protection. The capacity of smart fire suppression system in school to interface with other building systems including HVAC, lighting, and security system is a key feature. For instance, the fire suppression system can immediately turn off the ventilation system by connecting with the HVAC system to stop the spread of smoke and dangerous gas. And for its implication, advanced fire protection, detection, and protection system can significantly affect the general safety and security of the buildings. Cutting-edge fire prevention systems also have the potential to enhance a building's overall disaster readiness. This system can aid in making sure that building occupants are informed of potential fire and are familiar with the safe evacuation procedures.
Next, I will continue the discussion with the recommendations. There are some recommendations that can also be done by building occupants, such as protocol for submitting emergency reports, describe how employees and residents will react in an emergency, procedure for evacuations, relocations, sheltering in place, design and executions on fire drills, building fire prevention system type and region of coverage, and lastly, any other details necessary by the relevant municipal jurisdictions and fire authority. Conclusions part. These include the use of appropriate fire extinguishing equipment and the optimizations of heating system in schools. It is recommended that a standardized and true education plan be created and managed by qualified trainers. According to our study, a school building has to have a fire safety hazard since there are many people doing activities there and people spend a lot of time there. Other technical specific actions include the use of appropriate fire extinguishing equipment, the creations of early warning system, and the optimizations of heating system in schools. That's all from our group. Thank you.